Hi my lovelies, today I've made my childhood snack diamond cuts or diamond biscuit. It's crispy, sweet and delicious. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment and press the bell icon for further notification. Let's start. Here I've taken 280 gram of granulated sugar, that is 1 plus 5 tablespoons of sugar, and make a fine powder. Add this into a mixing bowl. Along with the sugar, add 4 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and mix it well. You need 100 gram of ghee, that is half cup of ghee. Warm it in a pan or in a microwave. Just warm the ghee, no need to make hot. And add 4 cardamom pods. And you need 500 gram of maida, that is 4 cup of maida. Sift it and mix it well with a spatula, or you can use the hand to mix. Instead of ghee, you can use melted butter, or you can use half of ghee and half of vanaspati ghee. Now remove the spatula or the spoon you're using and use hand to mix it well. Like you see, the consistency of your dough is very sticky. Cover it and keep it aside for 2 hours or more. After 2 hours, test the dough by making a ball. If it is not sticking to your hand and you can handle it easily, then it's ready. Take a medium-sized dough and dust little flour and gently flatten it. Don't put pressure and roll. Follow the each step the way I am showing in this video. Check the sides. It's not too thick or too thin. Use tissue to remove the stickiness of the dough from the knife, or it will make cutting difficult. I have cut the biscuits into a small size, but you can cut them in medium size, but don't cut it too big. Place them in a plate. Before adding the diamond guts to fry, flip each biscuit. This will help you to add them in a hot oil easily. Use the medium-sized burner and keep the flame in medium. When the diamond guts float on the top, then use the spoon. So fry them in a medium flame, then only it will be cooked in and out and you will get a good color, because it can turn black easily. When you take out from the oil, it will be soft, later it will be crispy. Keep it in an airtight container. Crispy and tasty TeaTime snack is ready. Kids, elders, everyone will love it. Remaining dough, wrap it and keep it in a freezer and use it after 1 week or 2 weeks, but bring it to a room temperature before use. Have a wonderful day.